Hi everyone, this presentation is just on seniors cards that are available for people when they turn 60 and the Commonwealth Seniors Health Card that's available when you turn 67, just to clarify the eligibility and what types of benefits are available. Just a disclaimer, information in this presentation is of general nature only, doesn't take into account your objectives, financial situation or needs. So beginning with when you turn 60, there are two types of cards, the Seniors Card and the Seniors Savers Card. The difference between these two is the Seniors Savers Card is for people that are still working pretty much full time, so more than 20 hours a week of paid work across a 12-month period. You would only be eligible for the Seniors Savers Card. And the difference between these two is Seniors Savers Card doesn't have access to the transportation discounts. The Seniors Card, you do get some more transportation discounts. So to be eligible, you must be age 60 or over, or be turning 60 within 3 weeks, living in New South Wales, an Australian citizen or permanent resident, and as I discussed before, if you're applying for the Seniors Card, not working at all or averaging 20 hours or less a week, and the Senior Savers Card is there as well. So just looking at these two, this is what they'd look like, the Seniors Card and the Senior Savers Card, and looking at which one was right for you. Now, one thing I do want to show you is just what type of discounts and benefits are applicable with these cards, and it's something that people can do, couples, individuals, if they want things to do or see, or just look at places around where they live to see what discounts are available. There's a really good website where you can go to and just look, and I'll show you in a moment. Okay, so this is the newsouthwales.gov.au Seniors Card Discounts and Deals, and what you can do here is you can even just type in postcode or address near you, and these are all the providers. It says retail, health and medical, professional services, food and drink, all the businesses around your area that you've typed in that have discounts for seniors cards, whether it's Be Senior or Senior Savers Card. So there's often discounts of 10, 15, 20% on certain products and services, which is a really good benefit. And also, if you're looking at going to something like cinemas or zoos or different activities, the opera house, museums, these are all you can look up what ones are included and see what discounts are available. So it's a good way to look at things that you want to do or tick off your list if you're in retirement or just looking for something to do when you're over the age of 60. Just back to the cards that are available. So when you turn 67, then you have the eligibility of the Commonwealth Seniors Healthcare Card. So with this, you get cheaper medicine under the pharmaceutical benefits scheme, bulk bill doctor visits decided by a doctor, and a refund for medical costs when you reach the Medicare safety net. So to be eligible, you have to be pension age, which at the moment is 67, meet residence rules, not be getting an income support payment from Centrelink. So this is if you're not receiving Centrelink age pension, and you have to have a tax file number, meet the identity requirements, and the income test. So this one does have an income test. The previous two cards do not have income tests. They are subject to those hours tests that we discussed. So this is another benefit from a medical perspective. They do provide some good discounts there, but you combine these and it provides some really good benefits for people over the age of 60 and 67 that can help towards managing costs, but also just provide some lifestyle benefits in terms of being able to go out and do some things at a reasonable price. So just to wrap up, we've got two cards available for people at the age of 60 depending on how much they're working. So if you're working a lot, you would, or more than 20 hours per week, you're eligible for the Senior Savers Card. Whereas if you are not working more than 20 hours per week, you are eligible for the Seniors Card. And then when you turn 67, subject to the income test and whether you're not receiving age pension, you could be eligible for the Seniors Healthcare Card. So 3 cards that if you don't currently have them, something to look at whether you're eligible and what benefits they can provide.